This is one of the video requests I've been getting severally from most people, especially the beginners that want to start a Google AdMob. Most of you are telling me that you've not gotten approval for your AdMob account. If your AdMob account is like this, that means your AdMob account has not been approved. You need it to be like this one right here, okay? So first thing you need to do is to get yourself an approved Google AdMob account, okay? So because most of you have been reporting that you've not been getting approval on Google AdMob, so I'm making this video to show you the 2026 update on how to get approval on Google AdMob with your mobile phone, right? So first you need to do is simply head over to your browser section. So Google AdMob is not an app, it's a website, okay? Just like AdSense. Head over to your browser on Google Chrome, okay? Then type in Google AdMob, right? You click on this button right here, this first website, click on it. When you click on that, then it's going to simply prompt you to this very section. This is how AdMob works, okay? For instance, you head over to your Play Store, APK Pure, and any other app store, then you download an application. Then on your mobile phone, you decided to open that application. So when you open this app, you can see Google AdMob ads showing on the application, okay? This is just a way of monetizing applications, okay? Because you've already spent money, you spent time and effort in building this valuable application, people can actually use it for free. The only way they can actually support you is when these ads are displaying on your app, okay? So that's going to simply help you to get some revenue to manage your application. If there are subscriptions that you need to be paying for every month, this AdMob is going to simply help you to be gathering some revenue, to be sorting out those bills, okay? So if you come over to this section and click on this close button, this is going to simply open the main app, and you're going to simply see a banner ad as well on this very section, okay? So this is basically how your ad is going to simply show. Because this app is delivering value, we also monetize it, okay? So that's, by the way, the main focus of this video is to show you how to get an approval on your AdMob account. So just fall back to your AdMob section right here, okay? Click on this get started button and you select the Google account you want to use to sign up, okay? So I'm going to simply select this one right here, getting you started. You have to select this, okay, so that if there are new updates coming up, they can actually send you an email on your email address, okay? So if you come over to this section, you're going to simply select your country. Make sure you select your country. Remember, AdMob works almost in all countries. So if you click on this section, you're going to see all countries right here, okay? So if your country is not here, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So please select your country. Okay, once you select that, then you have to simply go through their terms and conditions. All right, so there are policies set aside for AdMob publishers, okay? So, and you don't have to violate any Google policy to make sure that your account is in good state, okay, with Google, to avoid getting banned or getting account disabled. I've already made a lot of videos about AdMob, so if you go over to my YouTube right here, search for Mr. John Francis AdMob. When you search for that, this is going to simply pop up for you. So this is very much necessary, okay? So if you come over to this section right here, click on accept terms and conditions after reading and going through all of them, okay? Click on this, start using AdMob, okay? We are reviewing your info, okay? So because you've not really added an info here, you don't have to wait. Click on this continue to AdMob, right? This is a new AdMob account we've already created right now, and this account is just empty and we need to approve it. So make sure you add one particular name of an application you intend to build. If it is a game or app, just add game or app. Later on you can change the name, all right? So you come over to this section, then you click on add app, okay? So remember, you don't have app already, you just want to get your account approved, okay? Then you come over to this section, then decide to add the type of app you want to build. Android has a larger community, while iOS has a smaller community, okay? So there are a lot of people using Android, so select Android, okay? You have to simply tell them that your app is not published yet, okay? Then click on this okay button, then add the name of your app here. Let's say you want to add app, all right? Then once you add that, then click on this add app. Okay, your app has been successfully added. Remember, you can change the name later, okay? The next you need to do is to click on this add unit, then click on this banner, then add the name of your banner, then just add BA, then forget about this, then click on create add unit, then done, okay? And the next you need to do right now is simply fall back to this very section again, and you scroll down a little bit, okay? So any other thing you want to do right now, you can do it, but the main thing you need to do, simply come back to this very section that says set payment settings, okay? Then click on this add payment information. Then on this very section, you have to make sure you add all your details correctly, Okay, so these are the details that Google is going to use to verify your account or give you approval or disapprove you. You have to make sure they are all correct. Okay, so this is individual account. Make sure you select individual so that if you want to verify your account, remember, once you hit $10 on your AdMob account, they are going to simply send you an email to verify your account for payment. Okay, so you come over to this section and you add the name. You have to add your name, your address, your second address. Make sure that all of these addresses are all correct. Okay, and your passcode. Okay, I'm going to simply fill all of these things right now. So I've already added the details. Then click on this submit button. Your phone number is optional. You click on submit, setting up billing. Okay, you can see right here your account is ready for now. So once you add all of these details right now, the next you need to do for you to know that your account is being verified is to go back to your home page. Okay, go back to your home page from here right now, and you have to simply scroll down a little bit, and you're going to simply see this coming up. Okay, this will just automatically come up. This shows that your account is being verified, which means it is in progress. Okay, the verification is in progress. You have to simply give it time. Since the details you added are correct, then you have to simply relax your mind. They're going to verify your account and give you approval. Okay, and once your account is approved, you're going to simply see approved already on this very section. Okay, if your account is just like this, it cannot show ads unless it is approved. Okay, and remember, once your account is approved, make sure you get a developer, trusted developer that can build and monetize your application, and also use your AdMob ad unit to monetize your app. Okay, so if you don't have a developer, my team can also handle that. And also, if you want to do this by yourself, you can simply go over to our seller page. This is where you're going to simply see some app codes, source code that you can actually get for yourself and build your own application. Okay, you can see right here, this is a snake game right here. This is a two-ball driving game that you can actually get for yourself and build your game. Right, I've already made some tutorials on how to do these codes to build your games. Right, and so if you want my team to handle this for you, you can simply go ahead and join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. My team can also handle all of these things for you, monetize your application, and also publish it on one particular app store that's going to simply give you more traffic and more users for yourself. Okay, just come over to this section, get your code, and monetize and show in advertisement. The next you need to do right now is to make sure you keep your account protected. Okay, make sure that you obey all Google's AdMob policy and their times. Okay, so remember, you don't have to click on your own ad, and also you don't have to be viewing your own ad, and thirdly, you don't have to tell people to click your ad or maybe tell people to view your ad. If you're promoting your app, just promote your app genuinely. I've already made several videos about this, so if you've not watched my previous video, go ahead and watch my previous video showing your screen right now. So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel. So once this account is approved, I'm going to simply share it on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel so that you guys will know that this is working. Make sure you stay tuned on our page. See you in the next one.